sure are noisy. Hopefully they're resolving their issues.
Wait, what's all this acid around me? Why is this locked? Let me out! It's so painful!
Yep.
Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Earthquake early warning. Strong shaking expected.
Oh, the front door came open.
That's okay. It's okay. Just hold on. Hold on. Oh my god. This is bad, Brian.
Expected in 30 seconds.
Oh my god.
Shaking expected in 90 seconds.
No running, walk.
Shaking expected in 9 seconds.
This is a very strong earthquake. 8:21 here on the air. We're experiencing very strong shaking. I think we need to get under the deck.
All right, we're going to get a break.